So, the Bible is an acronym. Now, not a lot of people know this. I didn't learn this till not very recent, actually. I learned that the Bible actually had a meaning. I never even knew this. Been in church forever. Never knew that the Bible actually is an acronym. And so today I'm going to share what that acronym is. So Bible, basic instructions before leaving Earth. Again, Bible means basic instructions before leaving Earth. God has given us instructions on how to live and how to be and how to act and how to live before we leave the earth. People will argue, oh, the Bible is so old. The Bible is old, yes, but the Bible has everything that we human beings need in order to get ourselves right, and in order to get our names written in that good book, and in order for us to go to heaven and not go to hell. Basic instructions before leaving the earth. That's what the Bible stands for. This is the Bible. This is the roadmap. This is the instructions. This is the manual. This is the book. Basic instructions before leaving the earth. Learn it, read it, study it, meditate on it, sleep on it, memorize it, and hold it dear, because this is your only way to salvation. This old book is all you need. It gives you basic instructions before leaving Earth.